Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV. Cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyaka, scatter.
PP. Lord God, more PP. I'm gonna take me a wine. More PP. See me here? I'm yellow for? Oh, eh? Eh? Yeah. Guys. Yo, the old poor dog. I'm gonna go outside to talk to him. Andrew, my outside here. Oh, come here, show. Can I write this there? The old poor, like dog, the old poor, I love from him, Jesus Christ. And you see when we go through things, people know how we talk, and we not talk, I don't want to look nowhere to people. Suppose me never say nothing at all. Suppose me never say nothing at all. Suppose me never say nothing one ratted at all. That day I know, oh shit. Suppose me never say nothing at all. They want to ride. People have said they may carry me go airport, lyric come on me yard. My student now said, no, you don't have to leave, you can stay. Like I have options. Suppose they keep my mouth shut. Suppose they keep my mouth. Then that's what them say, closed mouths don't get fed. My so first stop come up. My so come up for the live. I don't know how to archive the other live. Somebody really sure me forget to archive it. But I took it off my IG page and blood cleanse, yes sir. Oh, yes sir. Right, that's what she. And I look a belly skin. Yeah, time auntie warm. Bruh, I cannot believe even people from Jamaica who know. Jesus Christ. Yo, one day I'm gonna go live. Probably soon. Probably if I have time tonight or tomorrow. And Maga just telling her everything, yeah, man. Cause dog, like the journey with the pan, it's not linear, you know. It's not linear, and I'm not doing things where, like, oh, she's a good Christian girl. You know what I mean? Like life for dog, and me have to just go with the flow. You see me? When I'm telling you, I definitely consider for just like just start PR dues. Like dog, me I consider it because again, and true, I have a name too. Like me no want nobody. Like I say nothing about me, but dog is like me the have to talk, and because me talk, people are reach out. So my phone not stop dead. I forgot buy one charger. I forgot buy a charger. It's like, bro, like me never did like New York dog, but me I tell no man, on a different dog. I swear, on a different. And us as women, we go through shit. I wanna want to talk more, but you talk and done, yeah. You never know who might help you. You never know who might help you, dog. But you just talk and done. I'm doing good. I'm at CVS, but I don't know which part this me there. Queen's instruments. Queen's just it. Andrian, what is Queen's? A Queen's me there? Brooklyn? Me there Brooklyn CVS. I go buy juice, comedy, buy rice and peas and fried chicken from something early today. A gas all in my eyelash and my elbow. It's okay to have gas, but the gas I'm up and down because the gas can't stay one place. My gas I travel. My gas definitely have visa. And like green card and some of that. My gas have visa. So yeah, I'm doing good. No, my paper, due to how much the money stuck in my PayPal cannot come out. Because PayPal said there's drug activity going on in that Jamaican makeup. PayPal, why you do this to me? Yeah, and then I have to submit one heap of sitting for proof say me. I want my call because them send they sent a request thing, but them send it to my Jamaican number, but my Jamaican number another phone, another foreign number, another phone here. So when them send put in my phone number, I put in and me send the request. Right, PayPal say, we got her. Lock it down. I call them and say, I'm sorry, ma'am, we cannot help you. It's a part of a security system and it is shutting down. Me say about Ahmed, I tell you, I make no say, me, I call him again, me. I know, but it's just the system. I say, done. I'm apologize. I say, Ahmed, I'm so sorry. I shouldn't talk to you, so I shouldn't. And you know, Ahmed, I know, I understand. Ahmed, no, shh. Sorry. I'm gonna hang up now. But yeah, so when I get home tonight, then I can go live and just talk to you guys. But yeah, so yeah, thank you so much, bro. Like, dog, just the love. Reds, Stacy and Reds rum punch. When I ever put me in the bathing suit, but I put it again. She the first to send me something. And a little bit of money. And I never that. You see me? And she the first. I'm just thank you so much, mama. Like, me definitely appreciate it. So I'm gonna go. Me know want SRT, sex in a blood cleanse and fast and healthy. You there? Start like it's upset. You know, yes, she is. Right, this is she. So alright guys, I'm going to talk to you later. I fell by sleeping clothes because I smell moldy.
And of course, groceries locally is possible with Ideal Supermarket.
My breath smells stink on my mouth.
Locations across New York, and we deliver straight to your door with extra
that, baby.
Ideal Supermarket, you can find everyday low prices.
I'm gonna be off in this corner, up in here, because I'm at somebody's house and I don't want to like show everything. My face look like it. My forehead look like the state of Tennessee. You see it big? Anytime I bleach my hair, I always bleach my hair come down here, so it for make my forehead look like it's smaller. What's an eventful day? What an eventful day. I'm not gonna give this like any more energy, any more strength at all. Different, like, kind of reason what you say can easily be twisted and misconstrued, and I'm fine with that. I'm smiling. Hold on. The thing is, anything that happens in my life, you guys can know, and that's the truth. I'm not ready to share because I'm actually working on something on the back end where everything that is happening with me I will be sharing, but because it involves other people, I'm about to tell you guys that I have like a management team. So my story, my journey will be shared. Why am I smiling this much? It will be shared. Oh, you're not hearing? Mama, start over. You guys hearing me? Hearing me? Hey, I say, yo, is Kyra tell me some of the pan pink wall? I say, what? She's like, yeah, the girl make a post. I'm like, that's funny. Like, alright then, cool. Because you know, remember, I'm not call nobody name. I'm not say nobody picture or nothing. But, and then let me tell you how I am. You see, like, if you come at me sideways, bro, like, people are going, like, to know. Is even like, I'm open with my life. And because this affected my livelihood, is me, and I was like on the streets or whatever, I'm going to let you guys know. I'm like, guys, a bitch is broke and I'm gonna need some help, and you guys have been helping me. I'm not going to say anything else. I'm not going to give this any energy whatsoever, but I am smiling and I give God thanks for that. I wake up 2:45 this morning. I know I'm gonna sleep in the class from the afternoon. I book because I'm the model. So I book, I'm tired, but for some reason, I don't know if it's like the adrenaline or whatever, but I can't sleep. When Kyra tell me, say, yo, she's sending in Pam Pink Wall, I'm like, what the hell? What's going on? I'm just so glad. Yo, prayers work. I can't wait for telling like everything. And I'm going to keep this up. I'm going to keep this video up. I'm going to put my filter on, like, yes, bitch. I cannot wait to share guys, when I say I'm gonna share everything, so yeah, like, make sure you go on talk. It's good promo, because when my shit hits the fan, my shit gonna hit the fan, honey. It's gonna be like splattering, it's gonna be smelly, you know, a little vomit here and there or whatever because of the smell, the stench. But yeah, so I'm good. Yeah, everybody have friend of a story. Yeah, everybody have a story. And the thing is, everything that's happening to me is not unique to me, and I think that's why I shared initially, because I thought it was unique to me. Me feel say I'm male when I go through this. Is me even things I shouldn't share with like with the legalities of certain stuff. Me still share. Me chat too much. Like me legit chat too much. But in the back of my mind, I always want to give you guys a full story. Is me, I keep on saying, and if you don't have discernment, you can pick up. Come keep on and say there's certain things I can't share with you guys. There's certain ways that I'm coping that I can't share with you guys yet. Me keep on and say them something there. So that like nothing what she has say. It's not even phasing me, bro. I'm just like, bet. Okay, cool. Bet. Okay, cool. Cause, bro, people are gonna talk, man. I just cannot wait to share. Is it me? I cannot wait to share, but I can't share yet because there are other people involved in the story now. The other people involved in the story. The other people involved in the story, and I'm just grateful for where I am now, like mentally too, because this should have licked me down like for 6 dog, like with just everything leading up, like it should have like mash up my mates dog. But me there still is it. My look boy, I go wear forgot airport tomorrow. Either one jeans dress and one little jumpsuit something. Is it me? Me can't wait for go further me yard. More link up with 2 bad hairstylists, me them slim and wig and beard set my something on. Yeah. I just can't wait to share. That's just my only thing. I just want to tell you guys everything, but I really can't. But I'm gonna tell you now. Before the year done, I'm gonna tell you either by book or a podcast or anything. Stop saying I saw people stay affair and one nigga crosses there everywhere. Yes, Mr. Buzz. Me not know if I'm here talk, but I real talk, because even when like with this new thing, this new development that happened, people are saying, no, but lyric, yeah, me they get put out to. I'm gonna say what? I should say, yo, somebody said to me, say, yo, people will come here and they might try and make a living for themselves, you know, them off, and like them family members put them out and them have nowhere to go. I'm gonna say, dog, blow. I cannot wait to share. Oh my god, I can't wait to share. I want to tell you, but I can't tell it in this forum because everything can be screen recorded. So my for wait little. I'm have to talk to me. I talk to before we can share. But yeah, you can watch my live. It's on my IGTV. I took it off my page. You can watch my live. You can read her posts on Thinkwall. Shout out to Pinky. Big up yourself. If it's on their dream, let me know. Tag a hoe. Tag me. I'm just lyric. Girl, I'm gonna post my flyer from a Florida class right through like night June. That's Dave. And what this is teaching me is, because I 2 things I said to God. I said, God, what the reason for this? One, a pride. I'm thinking because I don't like asking for help. I really don't like asking for help, you know. The only person that I ask for help without like inhibition are mommy, mama, and Kyra. I don't like ask for help. And 2, it's like I'm just a watch for see like what happen. Because remember, say God know me, you know. God know me, you see me. And God and like 1 or 2 people I can be really upfront and open with, you see me. So Pinky say she believed the girl. Oh well, I mean that's fine. That's okay. That's okay. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah. So what was I saying? But yeah, so everything, nothing is unique to me. Nothing. It's just strange that it's happening to like somebody like me that has a platform. Because for somebody like me that has a platform, when shit happens to them, they sweep it under the rug. Them no want to talk about it. Look at celebrities that have been, you know, mistreated or whatever. It's like them just want up and get rid of it. But mine is reoccurring. Why? Because I gotta always be a real woman too, and I gotta always be open. We don't know always. And for the people who know me and not just coming on here because of the story, for the people who just know me, them I say, no dog, something in a something. Yeah, like them people there, I mess with you. Cause yeah, something in a something, of course. But what I'm not gonna do, listen, hey, pre-the-months, this is what me not gonna do. I put out a girl business on the road to prove my point. Why am I sounding so? But that's what I'm not gonna do. I'm not going to, because remember that I thought she was my friend. Although Pinky said she believes she sympathized with you, it was not a bad pose to put you down. Oh, okay. So, yeah, even though, because you know you have a friend them and you talk to them or whatever, and you let your guard down. I am like this to you guys who are my friends or my best friends, and I've let my guard down. Imagine people in my life are close. They're gonna know things about me that you will never know until the time is right. Because you know the premise me live off of? What's done in the dark must come to light. What is done in the dark must come to light. It must come to light. So stop and read. Oh, stove she wants to buy for you. What? Somebody want buy one stove. Wait. My auntie put up me and my sister in a winter blood cleanse. Somebody wants to buy a stove. Miss, call me when you're in Florida. Who this? Humble blessed child of God. I want to put up my number again. My phone number, but I tell you, as there's a God on the pressure me to them, and I have over 50 messages but I not even get to yet, dog. I didn't even get to them. The people that think to me a scammer or something, dog. Wait, I post my email address at hotmail.com. Oh my God, I cannot wait to just share. You know what I would love? And even though I really don't have any business or dealings with church anymore, I'd love to give my testimony in a church. Alright, I'm gonna pin my email address so you can email me. But I love Oi, somebody wanna buy you a stove. Yeah, I'm going to do makeup classes in JA when I come back. So when I come back, 2 major things. We have gonna come back. Makeup classes in JA, and 3 major things. Makeup classes in JA, the master class for October, and then a TLC event in in October. Hey, want me to tell you something? So I talk, I want to look at my body language. Look, as I'm telling you, name it's called the Pinocchio effect. Like if you play with anywhere on your nose, either the person is lying or they're having an opposing thought. See, so when I talk, come in and realize it, till me I talk, I say shit. The people them must know say me either tell one lie or like I'm having an opposing thought, isn't it? So yeah, and when I say like people do this and I scrape at them skin, it means that something is irritating them or they're bothered by something. Guys, watch Believing Bruce on YouTube. It will open your eyes to people and just lies and just like the nastiness. Yeah, I want to Simone, I wish I was still in Brooklyn when everything happened. I left and forgot you were in New York. Rude girl. I know mama you reach out to me, na babes. I know. I feel the pain today. And it's just like this situation remind me of Jermaine. Remember when they come out and I said, guys, Jermaine and I no longer together. And they make one video, fix your crown, fix your art. I remember when me talk again him there for just remember? Yeah, but 12 o'clock, shit. I'm gonna go on my bed. I'm tired. I'm gonna go on my bed. But my not saying nothing still, you see me? You know mama's gonna talk when she wants to talk. I'm not deleting this live either. I'm gonna talk. But not yet. Not yet. Because there's a side of me and it's even been recorded already. Guys, me I gonna make nobody can expose me. What? Anyway, but yeah. A part of it has been filmed already, has been recorded already. Yeah, the boys are okay. The boys are by grandma. My video called him tonight. Jonathan did I play Free Fire. What I miss is when Jonathan I play Free Fire. I mean, I just watch him play Free Fire. I mean, I said, no, Jonathan, kill him. Jonathan, I have to kill him. If you're in my head, baby, what a pumpy. I saw my talk to him because he play Free Fire. I love Free Fire. I love watching him play Free Fire. And then now I'm Jolly just played my breast. Excuse me. Till him drop asleep. Jalil played my breast Jonathan on the next breast and I play. So yeah. Yeah, well mommy knows about it and grandma don't know yet, but I was talking to mommy and I say, mommy, man, I'm so tired. She said, Simone, I know about it. And I said, alright, then tell mama. She said, I cannot tell grandma because I'm hurt by it, so I cannot tell grandma. I never want that, but because it had gotten so big, dog, and because it's just so unexpected. I can't wait for sure. Blow on my eye. I can't wait for sure. We don't know. Like, just everything. Because the truth is, I'm fixing my nose ring. The truth is, I have genuine love for you guys. Like, Maria, and that's why I always. The things when me share, you think any social media people gonna do that? Them not gonna do that. Them not do that. Them can company and tell me say, guys, this is what happened, this is what I need. Them not do that shit. Because them if I maintain that image. I keep on telling people I don't have an image. I understand you guys might see me as like a celebrity, but I don't have an image, babes. I have rent bills and things due and pile up on me. I have to ask mama for help one time. Them things that happen to me too. Because not only am I coping, I'm also actively living in depression. Actively. So what does that mean for me is some days I get up and I'm good. Other days I'm dead to the world. I can't communicate with my boys. I get very snappy. I'm very bitchy. I have those days, and unless I'm watching them and being careful, people get caught in the crossfire. If you just take a bag of man, go believe man, leave the woman kiss. Or the song go, and the bag of man like the Navy. Something like that. I don't remember, but yeah, I cannot wait to share with you guys, and I'm going to, but it has to be done in a certain way because the information that will be shared, it's not going to be easy to digest. People are going to view me differently, so I have to find a way to just tell you guys in a way where it's acceptable. You know what I mean? So yeah, see there. Tired. Believe in Bruce, yeah. Hey, I'll hear Miller. Lyric been reading the wrong comments, bro. Oh no, where does Sonic live? You know, so I know you have to DM her ask her. I forgot DM her ask her. Movado. And I'm back again like the name. Yeah, big up, nice, clean. Sonic. Yeah, a tangled _JA. You might accept it raw, and other people might accept it raw, but. Like for people who see me a particular way, and for Christians, I'm like the devil incarnate. So I have to make it palatable. You see me? Not understanding where I'm coming from, but so that the information is easy to digest. Because it's heavy, and I'm glad there's a little precursor. Like her post is a nice little precursor. I'm like, oh, okay, it's like a preview. Alright, cool. Because when you watch a preview, sometimes we sit on a preview and you see the movie. And sometimes we sit on a preview, you see the movie. We don't know what I'm going to get to the movie or not. I cannot believe. I love my piercings too. The one you come up. You see it come up. Say it scars. I've been working on it. Tea tree oil gets rid of it. Remember somebody have one in my ears right so and it gone. It took me 2 weeks. So when I go Florida, I go buy tea tree oil and work on it. So by the time I go home, it gone. I'm gonna have one next Akam come right here. So Candy says not Akam, it's just scarring, but I call it Akam. 1, 2, so my Medusa. My Medusa is my favorite one. The Medusa piercing. It's so cute. But I feel like the ring one changed because it's big now. See? You can see that the line. I like when it looks so. It look close on the lips so. Rather than like sticking out. Say, no, yeah, I'm doing okay. Now I'm in Queens. But I leave in Queens tomorrow at about 3:45 because my flight is at 6 p.m. at JFK to go to Florida. Dennis Kyra is Kyra. Everybody know Kyra, so Dennis Kyra is Kyra. So they take off the clothes in front of Camille. I'm gonna tell you this. Only see me on camera. I've done lives already. People say, no, Lyric, yup, I show delete them. I say, they thankful. If you're my friend, you're going to see my body. You're going to see my body. I didn't know she was offended by my body because when she saw, she's like, oh, you did pierce it? Oh, yes, you did pierce it. So, alright, then cool. Like, I didn't know she had a problem with it until now. Dog. Father God, you see, I'm gonna let him go, but more let him, but I don't want to like show where because I'm trying very hard to be respectful of people's like surrounding. You see me, so yeah. I know what get me. Like I don't know. It's like no matter the only reason why me that like tell people business is if like with my ex or whatever. Yeah, me would chat come and give a shit about you. I don't care about you. What do you mean? I'm like, I bet. Because I called nobody's name. When I say nobody name, when I say nobody address, when I never say nothing specifically, I delete the video them, I film from my TikTok, I delete them. I say, no, just delete them and done. Yeah, girl. Nothing but, I mean, you know, if somebody wants to talk, who am I to stop them? It's a free country. You can talk if you want to talk. So, yeah. Lyric to traumatize the lady. Maybe. Please, Jesus, make me talk. Baby, Kara, no, baby. Kara, don't, baby. Fabulous underscore. I know that me not care, but the reason why I'm unbothered, there's a meme that says, the bees doesn't argue with the fly about why honey is better than shit. I'm not gonna go back and forth with you, but I had to come on live with you guys because one of my things I'm over your ball and stuff. No, baby, I'm good. I have the message on my phone. I'm gonna respond to tomorrow. So tomorrow when I wake up, I'm gonna take like an hour, respond to all of the texts them. When them texts they clear out, then I'm gonna post my phone number again for about 15 minutes or so. So if you want to reach out to me directly, you can text me and reach out to me directly. Yeah, babes. Kyra, baby. Girl, all my grandmother said, see man, I can't wait close on the road. Mama, you remember the big like house? Mama, I'm not do it, my entire friend, the whole of my friend them know, so I don't wear clothes in no day. Well, yeah, my friend, them know, no day. Where clothes I go? In a hats? Where clothes I go? My nails, Cassie nailed it. I went to a 99-cent store today and them did that chat. Let me tell them, the woman said she's Chinese. I'm not try to offend no race nor league. Oh, you do your nails. They do for you? How they do it that? Mr. Yaman is acrylic. Oh, so they make it. Mr. Yaman would come off farm one next internet to come up. Oh, I like your nails. That is what they do. Mr. Yeah, is acrylic. She put it on the farm. Oh, okay. I'm gonna walk off. Me hear someone say, like them say short and then hear ha 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 ha. I said, Mama chop me. Mama have long nails. And then I go CVS. Somebody filmed this up. I said, thank you. I'm having the black mask. I go CVS. And I think it's kiosk where like the self-checkout something. Ratty, tell me why the kind got dropped down in that little hole or something. Hey, Mr. Panic attack, excuse me. Come here. Miss, come here. Help. She's like, oh, I got you. I know why. Me say, no, sir, you draw me out over here. Because the good lad tell me, don't go over this. Because I know some abandon me. Are you draw me out? Look, then I'm ask for, thank you. I say, I ask for help. So yeah, I'm finna go to my bed, bro. 12, 18. I have officially been up for 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 21, 22, 23, 21 hours. 21 hours. I'm just like, go. I'm tired, man. Kara, do not talk. I'm hang up this. You know, Kara. I love you guys. I'm doing well. And when it's time to talk, I'm gonna talk. Just believe what you want to believe. I'm not gonna come out saying nothing. Remember, the bee doesn't argue with the fly about why honey is better than shit. You know? So, but yeah, man, chill, man. Got my bed. Bye. But I have to talk to Kyra first before. Alright, bye, guys.
This is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe to the channel because European for Sandy and Bonez TV. Watch out, Wagwan over the world. European for Sandy and Bonez TV. Yeah, Neocast.